Okay, hello everyone. So welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to use now the result that you got from JASP and then format it in your research. Okay, now I have here a demo file and I have a Word document. Now looking at this demo file is that there are three statements and then there are a lot of data that was given to you by JASP. However, in your research, if you want to go on the levels, you just need now the elements of the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, and then the overall mean. So let's look at this one. So for example, let me have this half and then let me have this document. Now, let me have it more. So in formatting that, you need to create now a table. And then you need to have now 5 columns, namely the statement, the mean, standard deviation, verbal interpretation, and rank. So those are the things that you need to look at there. Okay. So it's much easier if you have that in JSP, if you have formulated that. So in the initial result that we do have here, how to maximize this one for a while. Okay. So hoping that you have this statement. So I don't usually put the numbers. So that's the statement, another statement. So let me just copy all the statement. And then this one. So those are your statement, and then it's much easier now to look at this one. This auto feed content. So it's much presentable right now. So working with that, let's have this bold and then control enter. Control E to make it center. Now you look at now table layout. Table layout, you need to put it here so that the idea would be in the center. Now it's much easier now to look at that. So you have now 3.44 and then with standard deviation of 0.70. Let's talk about later the interpretation because it depends upon the scale. So this one would be 3 point. As you can see, if you look at this one, this is the mean and then this is standard deviation. So that's 3.38. I'm using 2 decimal places. And then 0.55. Now, and the last one, it would be 3.31. And then this would be 0.72. However, to generalize this one, I believe that's why it was divided into 3. Is that this is what we call now the overall mean. Technically, if you check it, if there are valid 61, so you can just divide it by 3. So 3.44. So let me just get now a calculator. However, I don't know yet on how to look at now this one. So we have now 3.44 plus 3.38 plus 3.31 divided by 3. So you have now 3.38. 3.38. However, there are long computation for standard deviation, so I cannot put it down. So now, if you have this one, so this is now your initial. So technically, I can give you now a scale of verbal interpretation. Scale of verbal interpretation. So, it depends upon how many scale you work out. So, for example, if you're using 4-point scale, the interpretation will lead you to this one. So, I'm using now a table. But this is what we call an arbitrary scale. When you say arbitrary scale, it could be changed. So, for example, you need to get now a range and then verbal interpretation. So range is 1.00 to 1.75. So the range would be 0.75, and then this would lead us to very low. I don't know what would be the identifier. It's like very low perception. It depends upon the SOP. Next, 1.76 plus 0.75, that would be 2.25. That would be low. And then 2.26 plus 0.75, that would be 3. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? To 3 point something? No, 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 no. Plus 7, that's 3. No, no, no. Let me have this one. I believe that's not the scale. Should be by 4. The ending would be 4. So 4.00 minus 0.75. 3.25, right? And then 3.25 minus 0.25. Ah, this is 2.50. Yeah, that's why. 2.50 to 3 point. Now I get it. Okay. So this is the 4 point, and then this would be high, and then this would be very high. However, if you're using now a 5-point scale, you can use now. So once again, to work this out, this should be put in your in your method after the instrumentation, and what would be the interpretation. Now, looking with that, how about if you're using a 5-point scale? If you're using a 5-point scale, so there would be difference. So this would be 1.00 to 1.80. That would be very low. 1.81 plus zero point 0.6, zero point 0.8, that would be 2.60. That would be low. 2.61 plus zero point 0.60, zero point 0.8, that would be 3.4 T. That would be neutral. 3.41 to 4.20, that would be high. And then 4.21 to 5.00, that would be very high. So those are the things that you need to put here at your verbal interpretation. And then you can put now the rankings. So as you can see the ranking, so that when you go in your interpretation, this will be rank 1, rank 2, and then rank 3. The overall, you will not use it because it's the culminating of the 3 statement. So that's the minimum. That's how you work on with the interpretation of the table. And then in the research format, the table shouldn't be look like this one. The table should look like with header with that. So let me go on table layout. Once again, you put it at the middle. Now, in interpreting this table, you need to look at now your table design. Look at it now on your border, first thing. And then you get into the bottom and then to the top. And then on your heading, you need to put now the bottom. And that is how it looks like when you're presenting it in your paper. I hope you learned something with this video. Thank you very much.